Resolution 1452. Mrs. Kinsler, can you read that one for us?
Absolutely. A resolution of the Board of Education of Arcadia Unified School District declaring this week, the week of May 15th through 21st, 2022, Classified School Employee Week. Whereas a strong staff of classified employees is essential to the success of an educational organization, and whereas the Arcadia Unified School District's classified employees provide a myriad of valuable services to the schools, and whereas classified employees help provide for the welfare and safety of Arcadia Unified School District's students and staff, and whereas the efforts of the classified staff are highly appreciated but too often unheralded, and whereas Arcadia is fortunate to have over 500 classified employees contributing to the educational program. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Arcadia Unified School District hereby recognizes and honors the contributions of the classified employees to quality education in the Arcadia Unified School District and declares the week May 15th through 21st, 2022 as Classified School Employee Week.
Thank you, Mrs. Kinsler. Do we have a motion to adopt Resolution 1452?
I move to adopt Resolution 1452, Classified School Employee Week.
Thank you, Mr. Eng. Do we have a second?
I'll second.
Thank you, Mr. Chung. All right, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? All right, motion carries. Thank you. It's nice that May is toward the end of the year and we can recognize the people that make the year possible.